guys, welcome back. I'm Xander and you're watching XanTech. If you're like me, recording lots of videos or playing games, downloading lots of software, you'll find that you're going to run out of space on your hard drive pretty quickly. And today, to solve that, I've got myself the Western Digital Elements 8 terabyte external hard drive. So let's open the box and see what we get. Okay, here is the hard drive itself. Oh, nice and compact, quite heavy. Got to take the plastic off. This is the most satisfying. Not quite the same as taking the plastic off your tower. Oh, that's always so nice. Okay, I figured this out now. You got to pull it away and it pops off just like that. Since I'm in the EU, I'll be using this one. And that pops on just like that. Okay, now before we attach it to the computer, we have to plug in the USB thing, cable, of course. So this one goes in here. And then you get your power cable. Just take off the zip tie or the twist tie. And of course, your power goes here at the bottom. And now you're ready to plug it into the computer. Now, once you plug it in and press the power button, this little light will turn on, indicating the hard drive is ready. Okay, so once you plug in the Western Digital Elements hard drive, you will be greeted by this screen here. And then we have to click on Install Western Digital Software for Windows.exe. Then click Yes. It'll do its thing. Welcome to Western Digital Discovery. Install now. Product improvement, you can choose here. It's up to you. Share info or do not share. I usually go do not share. Are you sure? Yes. So we'll let it connect. It'll import the files for the storage and sorry, that's telling you what you can do. This process will be rather quick. We will come back once it's done. Okay, so now that the hard drive is installed, here on the right hand side is the Western Digital Elements 8 terabyte hard drive. On the left is everything that I want to back up. So we'll select it all, transfer it over here, say move here, and now we can see the transfer rate. At the moment we have a steady 205 megabytes a second, sometimes slightly dipping. But yeah, that's pretty fast for a spinning disk drive. Of course, it's not going to be as fast as a solid state, but 200 megabytes a second isn't too bad at all. And there you have it. Job done. Awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the Western Digital Elements 8 terabyte desktop storage drive for all your storage needs. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.